What's another year to someone who's getting used to being alone?
How was it to perform in the city of Dokkum?
Well, the city of Dokkum is gorgeous. It's like we drove here last night and I woke up in the Hotel Abdai and I went for a walk this morning and it's so beautiful. It's lovely. I wish I could spend a few days here. Unfortunately, I have a show tomorrow in Wetzlar in Germany. But otherwise, I would definitely stay here. It's also, the people seem to have a lot of time for each other. It's very friendly. It's really nice.
What's the first time to visit on Fryslân?
Well, this is my first time, not in Fryslân, but it's my first time in Dokkum. I really hope it won't be my last.
You were very excited to perform this night?
Yeah, well, we had a rehearsal earlier on, and it was great with the orchestra. I had a little bit of a problem with my guitar lead. They hadn't put it in properly, and it kept falling out. But apart from that, the guys are all great. Even the guys who are doing sound, and the guys out front are great, and the band, Peter and all the guys. The rhythm section is great. But I've got to say this correct. Shuk Nutma.
Shuk Nutma.
Shuk Nutma is doing a great job of as dirigent, and the orchestra are playing great. The Night of the Proms. Yeah. I heard it's not Night of the Proms, it's Night of the Proms.
Yes, the pram is a kind of boat.
Yep, I know. It's also a thing you put babies in and push them around.
Oh, okay. What was the most beautiful this night?
Most beautiful thing this night, the young ladies here are standing look in front of me, all the young girls. Now, the most beautiful thing here is just the whole atmosphere, the kind of the friendliness of everybody, just when you walk through all the buildings and this sort of thing, it's nice to be in a place that has character, real character. And as I said, I'd love to come back again. On scène.